Okwamanje kusasetshenziswa intambo ukutakula izidumbu njengoba ongoti bengakaliphothuli uhlelo lwabo lokuthola intuba yokungena kulomgodi. Ukutakula umuntu oyedwa kuthatha isikhathi esithi asibe yihora. Le ntambo ibuye isetshenziswe ukuthumela nokudla emgodini. Namhlanje kuthunyelwe indathane yokudla okubalwa kukho ngisho noparafin abathe owokupheka lokhu kudla. Ozamazama bathumele izincwadi ezehlukene ngayo le ntambo bacele ukuthi kuphuthunyiswe uhlelo lokutakula.
The first letter is telling us that there are people who are very sick. They will appreciate if we retrieve those people today because they don't think they will make it tomorrow. And we have another letter saying that they are South Africans. They want to come out and they want the process to be speed up.
Bathi sebephelelwe izikhwama zokufaka izidumbu esezonakele emgodini. Umphakathi yiwona osahamba phambili okwamanje ekutakuleni ozamazama ngentambo njengoba uhlelo longoti lungakatheli zithelo.